So if you always wanted to speak English fluently but felt stuck or overwhelmed, you are in the right place. So in today's video, I am sharing a step-by-step plan to help you master this language in just 30 days. Yes. So let me ask you one thing. Have you ever felt nervous about speaking English confidently or struggled to express yourself fluently? No worries, you are not alone. So hey there, I'm Tanvi and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, welcome to my channel. So I'm on a mission to help you become fluent in English, whether you are preparing for a job interview, you want to travel, or simply boosting your confidence. Believe me, this plan is your ultimate guide. And the best part is you can do it at your own pace. That's amazing, right? So yeah, I'll show you how to improve your English speaking skills in just 1 month. Exactly. And with a clear plan and consistent effort, you can sound more natural and confident in English in just 30 days. And that's not a big deal. But make sure you will be consistent for next 30 days. Then and only then you can become fluent speaker. Now wait. Fluent speaker not in the sense of you are gonna speak like a native speaker just after completing your 30 days tasks. No, not really. There's no magic pill, right? As you already know. But we can't reach that level of expertise just like native speakers in one go. But on the other hand, I must say the way you speak right now, or might be a possibility you can't even speak a single word as a beginner, but just suppose you can speak right now a little bit English. So the way you speak right now and the way you will speak after 30 days, you will see significant improvements in terms of your speaking, pronunciation and intonations, voice modulations and everything. You will work on it in these 30 days. Alright. So stick to these next 30 days and you have to be consistent at any cost no matter what's happening if you really want to feel some remarkable results in terms of your speaking. So alright, without any further delay, let's dive in. So majority of English learners spend a lot of time studying grammar and vocabulary, but when it comes to speaking, they freeze. Why? Simple, because speaking requires practice, confidence, and the ability to think quickly, right? But it is not as difficult as it seems. As a matter of fact, improving your spoken English is simpler than you think. Exactly. Trust me, you don't need any perfect grammar. You just need the right methods and daily practice. If you will work on it, you are good to go. So, yeah, are you guys ready to transform your speaking skills in just 1 month? Let's jump right in. So, today I'm gonna share 4 tasks with you that you have to complete every single day. Alright, and if you ask me, I love task number 4. I really love doing that, and I'm pretty sure you will also have fun while doing that. So please do not skip anything. Watch this video right till the end so that you guys will get to know about all the 4 tasks that I'm gonna share with you today. So task number 1 is building vocabulary and phrases. So don't worry, we won't memorize word list. Instead, you will focus on some common daily words and phrases that you actually need in your day-to-day life. So here's the plan for 1 month. First of all, you have to choose some basic topics for each day, such as love, life, money, travel, and friends, family, anything it can be. Like topics you are passionate about, so that you will feel more comfortable and you will sound more natural. All right, so now you have to learn some 5 to 10 common words and phrases around those topics for each day. Like you have to pick up one topic each day. If you want to have more than one, then that's completely all right, but at least one must be there. All right, so you have to pick up one topic, learn 5 to 10 common words and phrases, then like practice them in sentences. And like I want you to practice speaking in context. For instance, last night you had something in dinner. All right, for instance, pizza. So you had pizza last night. So instead of just saying delicious, you can frame the sentence here. Instead of just saying delicious, you can say the pizza I had last night was really delicious. And you can find some synonym words of delicious, just like scrumptious, that means very tasty, palatable, right? So you can use those words as well. For example, the pizza I had last night was really scrumptious, right? So that's how you will build your vocabulary. At the same time, you will get to know about how to frame the sentences. Task number 2 is watch a film or series or TV show or podcast, anything it can be. But yeah, a video must be there. You do not have to go in the direction of listening to something, any audio clip, any audio podcast, but a video must be there. Anything it can be, whether it is a TV show, your favorite TV show, your favorite podcast, your favorite movie or series, anything it can be, but in video form. All right. So get a notebook to write down all the great vocabularies and expressions that you are going to learn while watching that particular scene. Okay. But remember, don't watch anything in the background. In the background means if you are doing something, for instance, you are making your dinner, so don't watch at that time. If you are engaging in something, if you are talking to the people, if you are gossiping, please do not watch or listen anything at that time, because it doesn't make any sense. It is not gonna work for you. And listen actively to at least 20 minutes of an English podcast. All right. 20 minutes of an English podcast you have to listen each day, and you can watch any movie as well for 20 to 25 minutes. It is the minimum time. The maximum time is much as you want to. If you want to expand your time, that's amazing, but at least 20 minutes per day you have to watch something with subtitles on, and then write down all the great vocabularies, make a note of that to review later. And once you have written it down, then compare those subtitles with what you are hearing. All right. In this way, you will observe the intonations, voice modulations, and the pronunciations of native speakers, and that will work amazingly, right? Your fully concentration must be there. Just fully focus on what the speaker is speaking, okay? And just focus on, like, when they are having a pause in between, and what they are speaking, in what sense, their facial expressions. You have to catch everything, okay? And you can also watch YouTube channels and TED Talks in English, okay? And you can, like, if any video clip is there, short video clip is there, so you can repeatedly you can watch that, okay, as repetition is key. And we all know listening has a great impact on learning a language, and it is one of the best ways to improve your listening skills. Watching movies and series are one of the best ways. So task number 3 is engage and interact. So it's time to polish your skills and focus on fluency. So you have to be engaged in conversation, all right? Like, whether your family member is there, whether your friends are there, or any stranger can be there, just approach them and start talking to them, okay? I mean, you have to find a language learning partner for yourself. If so, that's really great. But don't worry, if you do not have any speaking partner for you, then that's completely all right. You can make yourself as a partner. I mean, you can start talking to yourself. And how will you do that? That's quite simple. Have you ever heard about mirror technique? That is really beneficial. That is really effective. So now the question comes out, how to do mirror technique. No worries, I'm gonna tell you that. So step by step, we will learn step by step, okay? So number 1, pick a topic. Just like task number 1, you have to choose some basic topic that you can easily talk about, that you love the most, and the topics you are passionate about, so that you will find more natural and confident. So such is like love, life and friends and travel and like anything it can be. So you can choose a basic topic. Then number 2, directly look at yourself. Okay, so while standing in front of a mirror, you have to look at yourself. You have to make eye contact with yourself to boost confidence and stay engaged. I hope you get it. Number 3, speak naturally and clearly. So you have to talk in such a way as you are in a normal conversation. All right. So just like you are talking to your friends and family, just talk in such a way. Do not exaggerate anything, just make it simple. And meanwhile, you will get to know about the way you speak, you will get to know everything. And number 4, watch your body language. Okay, that means while standing, while talking to yourself, just pay attention to your posture, your gestures and your facial expressions to make sure they matches your words, whatever you are speaking. Okay, done. Number 5, practice and improve. You can choose one topic several times. I mean, go over a same topic several times and practice that particular topic, speak about it, and pay attention to your tone of your voice or everything. Gradually you will be improved, don't worry. All right, so now let's talk about advantage of practicing English with mirror. Number 1, it enhances your pronunciation, and that's right actually. So by watching your mouth movements, I mean the way you speak, so by watching that, you can pinpoint and you can fix your pronunciation problems. All right. Number 2, it increases your confidence. So like when you are talking to yourself in front of the mirror, you can see yourself properly. Mirror technique helps you become more comfortable speaking with others, and that happens. You can give it a try. Number 3, improve your fluency. That simply means the more you practice your language, the faster you improve, right? And the more you practice your language, the more at ease you will become with expressing your thoughts in English. All right. Number 4, it raises your self-awareness. Exactly. So that simply means by watching yourself talking in front of the mirror, you can find the areas for improvement. You can see the patterns in your speaking, and then you can improve. You can work on those mistakes and all. Now the task number 4 is record yourself. I just love doing this task. I used to do it a lot, to be very honest. Even now sometimes I do it. I just find it fun. I just really love it. Record your voice is one of the best techniques to improve your English speaking skills. It is really an effective and powerful technique to improve your spoken English. After completing this 30 days challenge, you will see some great results what you are aiming for. Trust me. So yeah, don't think too much. Just take your phone and start recording yourself from today onwards, because it is better late than never, right? You have to focus on expressing your thoughts authentically, just like you are in a casual conversation. And yeah, remember, once you are done with your recording, take some time to listen back to that recording. And this review process is really invaluable. Trust me. And you will be able to identify the specific areas for where you are stumbled and the grammatical mistakes you are making, although it is not as important as your speaking is. If you are a beginner, then I must say, please do not focus on grammatical errors and all. Just go with the flow, just start speaking. All right. And apart from that, you will address some pronunciation errors, and you will observe your speaking patterns that you really need to improve. So that's how you will get to know about all these things while recording yourself. and you will have some more clarity in your mind in terms of your speaking, in terms of your language. So you must do that. You will enjoy that for sure. Most important thing is that by analyzing these recordings regularly, you can track your progress over time. Whatever tasks I have already shared with you, just please try to complete these tasks each and every day so that you will become a good speaker. If you guys found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you do have any feedback for me, I'll be happy to know that. Then you can comment down. And yeah, you can also follow me on Instagram, as I'm gonna share one reel per day from now onwards. So I'm pretty sure that will help you out in terms of your language. And if you want to talk to me regarding your language, if you have any doubt and all, then you can directly ask me there on Instagram. You can contact me. So yeah, enjoy the process, keep learning, keep practicing, and I'll see you guys in another interesting video and informative video. Until then, bye bye.